We just got back from Los Angeles a little bit ago. Couple of hours ago actually. We went to go get the fetal echo done for the baby, and the doctor said that everything is looking good. I do have to go back in a month to get a better picture and all of that because she was being a little bit stubborn today again, but he did say that from what he did see, he doesn't think that she's going to need to have heart surgery or be on medication or anything like that. So definitely so happy about all of that good stuff, because that was one of my biggest worries, was my daughter having a heart condition like me. So I definitely have some peace of mind, although I am like super tired. I live about 3 hours north, so it's definitely a drive there, which honestly there was like no traffic, you guys, which is amazing because there's always traffic. I got like a couple of clips. I didn't vlog too much, to be 100% honest, just because there was so much going on, especially with the whole thing that's going on in the world right now. They did take like extra precautions at the hospital though, which is really amazing. I didn't go to the actual hospital. I went to like the medical buildings right next to the hospital, so you couldn't even enter without wearing a mask or having your temperature taken and all of that good stuff. And they had like hand sanitizer everywhere. It was really nice because Carlos was able to go into the room with me to watch the ultrasound getting done, and you know, to watch the entire process of getting a fetal echo. It was definitely a lot better than the first time around, because the first time was painful. They were pushing on my stomach so much and I just had to do like jumping jacks, and at one point I was literally on all fours getting an ultrasound done. And today I had to do a little bit of that, but it wasn't nearly as bad, not at all. We'll see if I am able to deliver here in my hometown or if I have to deliver at UCLA. My cardiologist thinks I'm able to deliver here, and so does the doctor that I just seen for the fetal echo, so we'll just see how it goes. But I am super tired. I think I'm just gonna take a nap or chill out. I'll catch you guys tomorrow and we can just hang out. Hey guys, what's up? So it's actually about 2 days after my doctor's appointment, and I was actually gonna update you yesterday, but I got a couple of calls from the doctor and things have kind of changed. Well, kind of, slightly. Yeah, I don't know where to begin. Everything seemed okay at the doctor's appointment, and I do have to go back in a month to get another fetal echocardiogram done at UCLA. So I actually was on the phone with my heart doctor that I see at UCLA as well, regular congenital heart doctor there. He basically said that it comes down to if my OB and my doctors here are comfortable with me delivering here in town locally, or if I have to go to UCLA, which from every single doctor appointment I've been to, it kind of doesn't seem that they're comfortable with me delivering here. So I kind of have a feeling that they're gonna say for me to deliver at UCLA, which is okay, but I was kind of stressing out because I live 3 hours north of UCLA, so if I was to go into labor, I don't know how that would exactly work, because I would have to still drive for 3 hours. And my mom actually had really short labors with both me and my brother. One was 6 hours and one was 7 hours. So I don't know, it was just a lot to think about, and I just kind of was a little stressed out about the entire thing. And then so I got a call from my ultrasound doctor here, which is also like the high risk doctor as well. They said that they talked to the doctor who did my fetal echocardiogram, and he wanted to see me here. Well, he wanted me to see her here in town in 2 weeks, and I had it scheduled for 4 weeks. So that moved up a little bit closer. So I go on the 28th to get another ultrasound done here in town, and then I got a call this morning saying that they want to schedule one for a month, but I already had one scheduled for a month. So I don't know if there was like a communication issue on that end or what. So basically, I'm going for an ultrasound here in 2 weeks and in 4 weeks, and then I go to get my fetal echocardiogram done in 4 weeks. I'm still actually waiting for that doctor's appointment because I'm waiting to hear back from my cardiologist as well, because my cardiologist wants to see me at the same time. So I'm getting a fetal echo for the baby and then an echocardiogram for myself and just a doctor checkup for myself because I am in the 3rd trimester. So he just wants to see how everything's going with me, but I'm feeling good, I'm feeling fine. So yeah, it's just a lot. I have a feeling that they're gonna say for me to deliver at UCLA. I'm just kind of preparing for that for now. I think that that's like basically everything that I had to update you guys with. I was a little bit stressed out yesterday, I'm not gonna lie. My chest was hurting me, and that hasn't happened in a minute to where I've felt stressed like that. I'm a planner, so I like to know what's going on. I just want to know what's going on. 29 weeks tomorrow, so I feel like everything is rushed. In 4 weeks, I don't even know, I'll be 32, 33 weeks, I can't count. I feel like everything's just very rushed, and I'm just trying to figure everything out, plus get everything that I need, because like I said a million times, I don't think I'm having a baby shower, so it's just a lot to consider and think about. But I do have a Hello Baby box back at home from Babylist, so I do want to show you some of the things that they sent me in their little baby registry box. So I will catch you when I get home, and we will take a peek at some of the baby stuff that I got, and hopefully that'll help take my mind off of things and feel a lot less stressed. So I'll see you guys in a minute.
Hey guys, so I just got back home and I wanted to show you some things that I have been using for my belly. This is actually the very first one that I got. It's just the cocoa butter formula tummy butter stretch marks, and it's actually really nice. It does make me feel like a little greasy afterwards, but I use this only at night, and honestly I need to get more. Like, you can tell from the back, like I've used so much of this. This guy, I've honestly like used everything. There's like 2 drops left, and this is just the moisturizing body oil, and I love this. I feel like even after pregnancy I'll be using this, and the cool part is like you can actually use this in the shower, which is really nice. I went to go look for this one and I couldn't find the same one, but I did find this one, which is the same brand, but it's the skin therapy oil, and it says it's for scars, stretch marks, dry, damaged skin, uneven skin tone, and aging skin. And this one has the argan oil in it, and it does have vitamin E as well. So I'm gonna give this guy a shot and see how it works. Hopefully it's like the same as this one, because I really love this one, but this one's cool because it does have like a pump dispenser and this one doesn't. And this one I feel like gets all over the place and I have to wash my hands afterwards, but that's fine. I just wanted to let you guys know what I have been using for my belly, and I've really been loving these. If you guys have any other suggestions, please leave them in the comments down below, because I would love to know. This is the box. It's from Babylist. It's the Hello Baby box, and I just wanted to show you guys what I got in here. So it's super cute. It says Hello Baby, and it's like purple with their little logo and all of that. Let's just go ahead and get on into the goods. I did already open this up. I was gonna do like a full video about it, but I just decided to go ahead and add it to this vlog, because why not? Got some Huggies special delivery diapers. There's 3 of them in the size 1. I do have a Walmart baby box unboxing that I have on my channel, and we got these in there as well. I'll also link that video down below if you do want to see it. But yeah, so we just got some more diapers. These are the disposable nursing pads and the breast milk storage bags from the brand Lancino. I think that's how you say it. This guy here is actually a gift card for $35. I've never heard of this brand before. It's called Yummy, but I believe it's a little food service for when the baby starts to eat food. This brand I've actually never heard of before. It's Nano Bebe, I'm guessing. This does have some breast storage milk bags in there as well as some nursing pads and a pacifier as well, so that's really nice. We also got some water wipes in this box as well. I did get those in my Walmart baby box. Some more wipes. These are from the Honest Company. They did also add a bottle. This is the Even Flow Balance Plus bottle. It says recommended by 9 out of 10 parents. So there's a couple pacifiers in here. This one is from the Chico brand. It just says it's a silicone orthodontic pacifier from 0 to 6 months. And this is from the brand Boone. I actually really like this color and the style. It's actually super cute, and that's for 3 months plus. This is really cool. It's actually a changing pad, and yeah, it's pretty decent size. So that's really cool, and it does come with a couple of samples in here. So they did give us the Dreft, the newborn laundry detergent, which is really nice. We do have a couple of coupons in here, some Pampers, sensitive wipes, and a diaper. I think this is cute because you can totally just throw that in the diaper bag, and I'm sure it would work perfectly fine. And the last thing are some little baby registry cards and some like samples of stretch mark cream and some other coupons.
That completes today's video. I just wanted to share with you guys some of the things that I've been going through, what it's really like to be pregnant with a pacemaker and have a high-risk pregnancy. Sometimes I feel like the doctors here make me feel a certain way because I'm young and I have a heart condition that typically older people have, so I know that it's something that they don't see a lot. And I'm kind of from a smaller town. It's not like too small, but it's pretty small. It's a lot to deal with. I've been trying to like not be stressed about it. I've said in previous videos, it's all in God's hands, so it's whatever God wants, and I'm just praying for the best. That's all I can do. I just wanted to share with you guys my journey because I know someday I'm gonna look back and these are gonna be memories. It's crazy, like, how much love you have for somebody that you haven't even met yet. I feel like if anything happens, it's on me because I'm the mom. I'm the one who has the condition. I'm sure every mom who's going through pregnancy feels that way, let alone a high-risk pregnancy. It's just a lot, especially for my first child. But I know that it's gonna be so worth it. Anyways, give this video a thumbs up if you want, subscribe if you haven't already, and I hope to see you in the next one. See you later, alligator. Bye!